working at apartment number 4 here. Trying to get this evaporator motor out of here. Bad. Bad. Got ice down in there for sure. Little chunk of ice. Well, I finally got that piece out, but I broke it. But it ain't the first time I broke a piece like that. I know how to put it back together, though. Yeah, I know how to put that back together. Kind of broke on me. Get back here. Trying to see if these veins popped up back here.
Nigga, I don't know you. I just know what you look like. Who you don't know me? I ain't seen you, man.
I think the water, I think the drain is open, but we're going to check it anyway. But that motor's gone. Look at that. Look at that. That motor is gone. Yes, sir, it's gone.
I'm 59. I'll be 43 December. What's up with them?
Hey, what's going on? Well, put that back. Here's a new motor, yes. Evaporate motor, new one. That's a new motor, so it's gonna be all right.
The road to partial onset seizure reduction can be long and winding. You feel like you're learning drivers, afraid to try and make
Okay, that's out.
because of
Put that in there.
or going backwards. But doing nothing means you won't get anywhere. Try switching gears to a
Got that, put it in there. Let me go to the next step. Yep. We got that put back in there.
That's my water right there. That's my old son. Hey, your son?
That ain't hitting nothing.
That's your son. What's the matter?
Well, you all, I got this customer box back going. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Tighten that down a little bit. It's running. You. Blowing good too. See, I'm getting at the bottom down here. Oh yeah. Yeah, she down here now. Yeah, she down here now. Right there. Tight. Yep, this job is gonna be complete, y'all. Okay? I'm gonna tighten up everything and get ready to get out of here. Somebody working on this cook stove. I don't know who's doing that. They say they're having an inspection, but I'm gonna let them worry about that. All right, y'all. S&E Appliance, we out here.